What is up again, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to this video on this tool, which is an organizational system for your paints. Now, I liked that it was clear, so I bought it off of Amazon for 12 bucks, and it was in the beauty section. I think I've spent more money in the beauty section than my fiance has in the past year. So anyways, these things are really awesome, and you're able to really organize your paints well in these. I thought I'd just give you a quick overview of it because I really found it to be very useful for my room. So you can fit an assortment of paints in this holder thing. Obviously your Vallejo, there's a different bottle from Marshall's that I got, and that's kind of a little bit bigger than Vallejo. And here's some Mission Model paints that fits in there nicely. And you got this airbrush paint in this bottle, and that fits in there perfectly snug. So if you have any paints like that, that fits in there literally perfectly snug. Then you have some just your wash paints or whatever in those metal containers, and you have your Model Master paints. They fit in there very nicely. And you can even put a box of paints up there if you wanted to keep it more organized, keep all your paints in the box, and have a cool airplane picture next to all your paints. So obviously you can see the paints are pretty well organized, but the best part about it is you can see all the way through the paints. So really there's no clutter with this system, and that's the best part. So check out, if you want to look these up, look up nail polish holders on Amazon, and that will get you to the link to some of these things like this. So definitely check that out, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Let's get back to building.